Right here we have a combo with some pop-ups inside, and because this is a high traffic area and kids constantly run through and hit this, it's broken and cracked over time. The vinyl is cracked and there's actually some air seeping through it. And so we're gonna go inside and we're actually just gonna replace this entire section with a new piece of vinyl so that it is strong and durable, will last them a lot longer. And you can also see right here, this panel on this seam is starting to break. The stitching itself is breaking. So we're going to go inside and we're going to pinch the seam and we're going to reinforce that area so this whole panel doesn't break. And then we're going to show you what it looks like when it's done. Here's what it looks like all completed. Like I said, we completely replaced this section of the pop-up because it was so worn. And then if you look down here at the bottom where that seam I pointed out before that was coming apart, we reinforced that from the inside so that the rest of it won't come apart and so that the customer can keep using this combo without any issues. So if you want to learn more about any repair information that we have on our website, be sure to look at that to get your inflatable repaired yourself.